everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Life Outdoors. And this is a fresh episode. I'm getting out. I'm actually doing some fishing today. I'm not using old footage that I haven't edited yet. This is some current fishing. We are right now on the Grand Mesa out here in Colorado. And I'm going to be fishing a couple of these alpine lakes, hoping to catch some cutthroat and brook trout, basically. I'm not too sure what all species are in these ones, but I came up here. This wasn't the first lake I was going to fish, but saw two big, I think they're brookies, so we're going to stop here, make a few casts at these guys, and then about another half mile up the trail is the actual lake that I came out to fish. But yeah, if I see two good sized fish with bright colors in shallow water, I'm gonna give them a shot first. So I'm gonna tie up a couple of my nymphs. I got a fresh shipment in, so I am fully packed, and we'll see what these fish are gonna want to eat today. Should be a fun day. Stay tuned. Okay, no bites. Had some interest, but it seemed like what they were really focusing on was super tiny dry flies. I was thinking about tying one of those on, but I think I'm gonna go up to the lake I want to fish first, try up there, then I'll come back down and try for these guys again, because these are brookies, those are cutthroat. Not even comparison in my mind.
Wow. Absolutely beautiful up here. Here we go.
It finally happened, guys. I finally did it. I got one. And it's gorgeous. Look at this absolute chunker of a brook trout. Oh my god. That fish is amazing. It's got to be the prettiest brook trout I've ever caught. Definitely the biggest. He's got a bit of a special fin, but my god, look at that fish. I'm gonna pop this hook out real quick. Beautiful, beautiful brookie. Huge, huge brook trout. Wow. Okay. Let's get you back in there. Off he goes. Alrighty, y'all. Well, I'm back at the Jeep. I mean, it wasn't a super successful day, but I caught my personal best brook trout, so that's pretty cool. But it was also the only fish I caught the entire day. Pretty tough fishing, a little chilly out, and then the lake that I really wanted to fish already had 3 people fishing the spot that I wanted to fish on it, so that's fishing though. Ended up switching up lakes and finding a good brookie. I didn't get much footage of it, but yeah, it was absolutely gorgeous fish. Love it up here on the Mesa. A lot of these roads are gonna start shutting down here soon, but yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Sorry that I haven't been posting too much. I'm gonna be ramping up here soon because my job is almost over, actually, my temporary position here in Colorado. So got to figure out what's next in life, and in the meantime I'm gonna be doing lots of fishing, getting lots of videos out for y'all. So feel free to check out these new hats that I just put up on my website in the description below. I also have sweatshirts, crew necks, a whole list of different items. So really would appreciate anybody have an interest in merch. If you want to see some different designs, let me know. But for the time being, that's all for this video. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.